What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Virtual Speed Performance YouTube channel. The other day we went racing and it was a pretty good day overall. However, on that last pass, the starter and flywheel combination did not sound the best. So we're going to work on that right now. We're also going to pull the valve covers. All right, well, let's see what's going on. I'm expecting a no, nothing. Okay. Everybody's still there. That's good news.
I don't think the motor's hurt. I think it's just the flywheel.
Yeah, I think it's just a flywheel. And I think when I went to go get on the train brake, I don't think it had any like fuel.
Yeah, we'll have to show them the flywheel that we got that's like what we have with those separate rings.
Yeah, the different ring gears. On this flywheel, as you guys seen in the video of us getting it ready, it's just a ring gear, so we can swap them out. It was a good day overall, though. I mean,
It's been a good weekend.
Yeah, very good weekend.
That one's an Allen.
Yes, it is an Allen. It's an Allen wrench. Allen Harper. Daisy? Who's you on the Virtual Speed Performance YouTube channel? Little channel dog. You could help me get 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, Daisy. Daisy. Okay.
Hi, baby.
That's a hydraulic pump for the Pro Jack. You want to see what's going on under there? What you think?
Yeah, what's under the hood?
What you think? Oh, good.
Are you the new Virtual Speed Performance dog? She's our new mascot.
Yeah.
Daisy.
You need to maybe you could get under there and finish the top secret project, so we could get it done, please.
Please.
We are going to pull the transmission today because, we got to replace the ring gear on the flywheel. So really, put a floor jack under there, zip out the bell housing bolts, unbolt the drive shaft, probably pull this the shifter out, put it in the seat right there, zip out these bolts, the mounts are on this thing, so just take that off and it should slide off, and undo the shifter bracket right there and drop the transmission, and I think we're gonna have to lift it up because that cross member, so you have to lift it up and then out. Here's a starter bendix right here, the starter gear. Not so good. It's an MSD Danaforce starter, and this thing is a pretty badass, and especially with a 16-volt battery. However, on www.virtualspeedperformance, you can get a new bendix for this starter if you tear it up. See, just swap them out. There's a new one. Basically, just pull this off. A couple bolts right here. Put some gear, some grease on there, and it's as good as new. We're getting to the point now where we need to refresh this motor. We need to put rods in it, new bearings, main rod bearings, valve springs, stuff like that. Probably go ahead and rebuild the vacuum pump and maybe the more than likely the oil pump, the dry sump oil pump. We're getting to the point where we need to just do that. Well, it is nice when a car is made to be able to be taken apart in seconds. Got the drive shaft out. Really undo these, the converter bolts, the shift linkage, and bell housing bolts. She's ready to come on out. Wrong socket. Saki no ki.
That's actually not my finger. That's the steering rod. There's what we're looking at.
I thought Saki fit. Saki not fit either. I probably should do that or get canceled.
Oh.
This is a politically correct YouTube channel, everybody.
Doing down there, boy?
Oh. Go. Trying to get comfy in my little hole. But I finally found a socket and a little breaker bar that I can use to break this thing loose. Honestly, I think the impact could have got it.
Why are you taking it out?
Well, I tore up this ring gear and the starter bendix. But it's okay because we got another one.
Yeah, get it out. We'll set them all up there and you can tell everybody what our luck brought us with that.
Yeah.
Neat little story.
It is pretty interesting.
It has nothing to do with a dog, but
No dog. But we do have a little doggy.
it's interesting how many people actually like that
What?
picture you put up of the dog gonna drive the car now.
Oh yeah, the dog's gonna drive the car.
Even my aunt, I was shocked. She don't hardly ever like anything like
Miss Daisy's gonna drive the car.
because she likes dogs.
She's gonna drive it she's gonna Sunday drive it, you know. She probably drive it better than me, but probably be like we're going for the record, like 200 barks per hour. that amused me.
So the LS guys would say it's like Stock Paul's fastest Stock Paul's car in the country.
Fastest stock bottom Pauls. Stock bottom Paul. That's so dumb. But yeah, she's going for 200 barks per hour, and she's probably gonna get it done. I mean, I don't even know. They're gonna bunch of Loctite. Normally these are like so tight you gotta just like lock, like put a dadgum screwdriver in to stop the motor from rotating, but it actually wasn't too bad. Thankfully.
Car I think is a pain in the butt to change transmissions in. It's funny that the third gen was way easier.
And it was way less of a car.
Yeah.
But
this crossbar right here, I think is about an inch too far forward to get that glide out from the bottom. So it has to come over the double rail, which unfortunately is pretty high. And
well,
you have to heave it up over it. But I think that bar, I think that may have been originally put there, obviously, because the car at one point had a clutch in it and a Bruno Lenco for a period of time.
yeah, clutch and a Lenco.
Now, I do like this. I think this is very neat how that trans tunnel comes in and out of there, nice and easy.
Well, what also makes it nice, especially for the drive shaft, is because we have...
Yeah, that's what I mean. That drive shaft can come right out through there.
Well, like we have like them yokes, like the yoke on it is a Mark Williams on the transmission side. And you could just, instead of the drive shaft basically being pressed into the yoke to where the yoke can't come off, you could basically, I mean, it just makes it super easy. And adds extra room. But
yeah, the Bruno, it was not. This car actually went back to Race Car Specialties and was modified to put that 903 in it with a clutch and a Lenco. It was ran that way for about a year, and I think when they did that, I think they may have moved that cross member right there to accommodate the Lenco. Even though it's an intricate bar, it just shocks me because I do remember this car having a glide in it when it first came out. It was originally slated for Top Sportsman.
then it got switched to Pro Mod and ran, you know.
It did run Pro Mod for about a year and a half
For a
here in
couple
Florida. And then made the PDRA season for a season or two. And now we have it, leave it parked in the garage.
Yeah. Pro testing tuners.
That's
is
right.
what we are.
PT&T.
I've set test and tune world records, you know.
We have. We've gone to most world records.
We've been to track whores. We're like 6-time track whore attendees.
We're the original whore at track whores.
we are 6-time track whores attendees.
That's right.
And yeah. And then now Daisy's gonna drive it and, you know, run 200 bucks per hour. And,
yeah. Stock bottom Pauls.
Yeah, stock bottom Pauls. You know, we're gonna put a pour-in seat for her, and we're gonna let her sit in there at the pour-in seat.
This is a whole lot of stupid content. You do realize that.
Yeah, but I mean,
nobody wants to hear about your dog.
You're replacing this.
Yeah, this ring. The cool thing is we had this ring, piece, but
it's 2-piece.
Chewed up.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you already replaced it? You put it on?
Yes, this is a new one. This slips out of that like that.
Nice. It looks like there's a groove there. You really can't mess it up.
Yeah, pretty straightforward.
Pretty
I
straightforward.
was just trying to make sure it wasn't supposed to be clocked or anything or any certain way for balance reasons.
I don't really. It doesn't really look like it.
No, not just reading the instructions here.
Fuel replacement ring. We tore this one up at the track Saturday, and found.
Went to a swap meet on Sunday because when you check this out on virtualspeedperformance.com, these parts were either, what do you say, back ordered or in
back? They're back ordered a couple months. I'm like, damn.
Here.
Yeah.
And then we walked up on this fella who had this sitting there.
Yeah, and I'm like.
Which was actually 2 rings.
2 rings and a brand new one.
And a brand new one in the box, which is what I'm putting on here.
Yeah.
For $25.
$25.
And this, you said these rings are how much?
Like $125 or 120 something dollars.
Yeah.
I was like, damn.
It's meant to be. It's meant to be.
I know. When we walked up, I'm like, you know, that looks like our flywheel that we just tore up.